Hey, good morning. It is the day of, and welcome to Coffee with Conti. We are at Paragon Performance in Waukee, Iowa. The vlog's in the background. Anyways, the purpose of today not only is to showcase Paragon Performance and the wonderful things that they offer us as Corvette owners, is this car right here, Michael's 2024 Corvette. What did he do to it? I got a couple of ideas, but I can't wait to share it with you guys today on Coffee with Conti. So it is a Cars and Coffee, and we have some cars inside for today's event. I feel right at home with a little Rapid Blue. Thank you, guys. Good looking car, man. Look at the C7 over here. Oh, that's our customer, Brad, right there. Brad, good to see you. Good morning.
Sure.
And look at this one right here. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, my gosh. I love it. Oh, it's a competition seat car, too, man. I just can't believe how many people from all over the place are here in the middle of nowhere in Iowa at Paragon Performance. These guys just come in from Nebraska. Welcome, you guys. It's good to have you. Thank you so much for coming. So you're here to see the reveal of the car?
Absolutely. We're here to see you and just to hang out.
Thanks. What color car do you think that Michael got? Choices so far have been Amplify Orange, Riptide Blue, or Accelerate Yellow.
Yellow.
Blue?
I'm going
Blue.
white.
White?
Yellow.
It's coming up in just a bit. Corey said, get your camera. We have a surprise. I like surprises. This one I think is for me. Stay tuned.
And
This whole trip is a surprise.
Yes.
Okay,
I ran it.
That's the whole reason for this trip. Right,
I
right.
ran it by him and I said, hey, I have an idea. And
Yeah.
I think this is going to be really cool, but I'm not going to take anything from you. What are your thoughts? And you're like, yep, let's do this. This is amazing. I love that. And I said, do you know if Rick has heart attack medicine?
Mom and Dad know about this.
Oh, they do? Okay.
Oh, do they?
So,
What? Come on, man. All right.
so give me a minute here.
This is a Rick surprise.
How about that? I still want to know what you did to the car. Can we just get to that part of the vlog? Oh, my gosh. Killing me. Yes, sir?
Maybe. So, what the initial plan was, is that there was going to be an additional helper on revealing the car, and she was going to make it very special. So, without further ado, officially, you can say that you have met.
Hang on, my face is all red. Wow.
That's not her.
I'll be right back. So guys, we're having a lot of fun here in the shop, meeting everybody, checking out the facility. I'm really enjoying my trip so far at Paragon, but this is going to be the highlight of our vlog today. I think we can tell already without actually telling you what it is. We can see, and you look from the side, and look, of course, from the back. Yes, we could see that it is a hardtop convertible. All right, before the reveal, we at least have to have a conversation with the proud mom and dad, David and Colleen. Thank you for coming up from Florida to see Michael's reveal. We had some guesses at breakfast of what color the car is. You actually have a cute little yellow C8 Corvette pin on your purse down here. Look at that. So do you think it's yellow?
I'm kind of leaning now to Riptide Blue.
That's a good guess, actually.
I'm not.
Because his 19Z06 was the Elkhart blue. He did like the blue, yes.
Blue is his favorite colors.
I think, didn't you and I talk, Dad, about Amplify Orange, possibly?
Yeah, we did briefly. I think that's a possibility, but if I had to pick three, I would say yellow, blue, or orange.
Perfect. All right, we got it's one of those. This car's one of those, which you guys are going to see here in just a little bit. Let's talk about Michael just for a quick second. This is really a special day. You guys have got to be proud of him. Number one, you guys share the same passion for cars, which I think is fantastic, and I'm trying to do the same thing with my son, but you have to be proud of him. I mean...
He works hard.
Yes.
And he loves his cars.
Yeah.
So we support him with that.
He's passionate about it, and he does take it to a level that few people do.
Yes.
Except
There's
maybe
no
Rick
question
Conti.
No, he's got me beat.
That's why you guys are simpatico.
Yeah.
Right
Yeah.
on that same level.
Yeah, it's fun.
And it's great. The people here at Paragon, I mean,
Oh my
they've
gosh.
got that feeling. I mean, they are just
Passionate
pros
people.
and passionate, and they love coming in, you know. It's exciting. I get
great.
goosebumps just sort of talking about it, sort of thing.
Fantastic.
Yeah, they've been Absolutely fabulous to us. Wonderful event and great place to have the reveal at Paragon.
That this car, out of all the cars that Michael's had, this particular car, and this I feel very confident in, is probably going to be the most special car that he's ever bought. Yeah, I think I'm right on that. You'll see what I mean here in just a minute. Don't forward past the video to see. Please enjoy the event, all right? Thanks for joining us. So, Michael, let me ask you. Now, your parents came to the National Corvette Museum to see you take delivery. How in the heck, in December, did you get them from Florida to Iowa?
Yeah, that's a great question, because obviously the weather where we are is a little different than Des Moines, Iowa. But parents obviously are some of my best friends, and they support me in everything I do. And I said, hey, look, getting yet another car, not a surprise or shock to anybody in the family. And we're going to, Paragon Performance is going to put on this great event for us, and Rick is going to come, and we're going to go out for a couple nice meals, and I'll take care of the hotels and everything. So. Come and join me, because Christy can't get off work there and has to take care of the pups again. And that way I'm not all kind of by myself. So they were kind of hemming and hawing and saying, do we really want to go to Des Moines in early December? And I'm glad they did, because, the whole point of the trip was for them. They just didn't know that, of course.
Well, they're into cars, and I could see that, especially in your mom, and I think that's great. But were they starting to get curious as far as what you did to this particular car?
Yeah, I mean, certainly like the color is always a big one, because I go back and forth sometimes in the colors. So they were kind of guessing, and, Riptide Blue came out. They thought, they know blue's my favorite color. Was they going to switch from yellow to blue? And, and then, of course, they always know that I have to, can't leave it, well enough alone. I always got to modify these cars a little bit. Like I said before, I like that OEM Plus look. I'm not trying to make it look, like it's still not a Corvette, but just kind of perfect those things that maybe the engineers would have loved to do, but the accountants wouldn't let them do at GM. So they were guessing on a couple of different things that I did, and obviously, once they got to see the car, they were like, hey, this fits your style and it fits ours as well.
Did you see your mom's face and how it lit up when she started the car and heard that exhaust?
Yes, when I saw that intro the other day on the Tech Tuesday, I didn't get to see the video, of course. You're just there in person, and I was talking to somebody else, and when the car fired up, I was laughing. I don't know, for about 3 or 4 minutes. It was a great reaction, just a pure reaction too, which is awesome. But the way you were able to capture that with all the different cameras that you had set up for us.
I didn't plan a real speech, but it is a special car, especially because of today. Thank you to Corey, Jeremy, Paragon, putting on this event. It's pretty special there to have all of you here. Thanks for coming, and it's an emotional day for sure. So.
You're a big car guy. Talk about that,
yeah.
buddy.
So, first, thanks to Rick, too, for our friendship. And
yes.
And coming here, he's been with he should be at every delivery of my cars. But, one was at the museum. Obviously, coming all the way out here for this was special to me as well. My folks coming. My wife couldn't make it, and she ended up being sick anyways, but she's home with the pups there. And I thank her for allowing me to have this addiction that I have with cars, not just a passion for it there. She's probably not the biggest fan of it, but she does give me the freedom to pursue it and enjoy it, so I thank her for that as well. Had a lot of cars, a lot of Corvettes. They've all been very special. This one in particular, where Rick placed the order, but then having the guys here at Paragon kind of what I call do the OEM Plus version of it, kind of perfecting it. Like if the bean counters didn't get in the way of GM, they probably would do things like this. And just keeping it a surprise from my folks and from Rick and just basically everybody in my life there to kind of see, like, when we pull it off, what did we do? And yeah, I had a passion for the cars. My parents know this. When I was little, micro machines were a big thing to me there. It kind of started from there, and always loved Corvette. It was attainable. We grew up in Canada. Less Corvettes up there, of course, especially with the weather. And it was something that if you worked hard, you did the right thing, you could get one. So. You'll see why I'm emotional here in a second, but excuse me. So this is a special day, and before I cry some more, I'm just going to say that this car is not for me; it's for you from me. So I hope you like it.
think it hit in yet. They don't realize it's their car.
So I love you, Mom and Dad. I hope you enjoy it. And did you not hear what I said? It's not for me. It's for you from me. This is your car.
Get out of town.
Yep.
No way.
Yes, right. Why do you think I was crying?
No way.
Yes, right. Yeah, come on. Yeah.
Have you? Oh my goodness, Michael, no way.
Love you, Dad. Proud of you.
Wow, really?
I'm not going to keep it secrets, but I think I did a good job.
Look at the plaque in there, the personalized plaque for you.
Yeah, take a look.
They're not tacos?
Not this time. Not this time.
It says, built in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Enjoy the ride, Mom and Dad. Wow.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Not for me, it's for you. It's your car. This is your car.
Get out of town. No way.
Yes, right.
Look at those pedals.
Yeah, we did a lot of cool things to it.
Never get that in the garage.
You at least got to start it real quick.
What's that?
You at least got to start it real
Yeah,
quick.
it's a key in it.
You got that
You wanna start it,
beautiful
Mom?
Paragon exhaust on it.
Yep,
Yeah.
yours.
Look at these wheels. Oh my gosh. Look at these wheels. Yeah. Wow.
This way. Yes way.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Man, what a day it's been here at Paragon Performance in Iowa, and you bet we're not getting out of here without a send-off pad. What an honor to be a part of such an amazing and special purchase. Colleen and David going back to Florida. Congratulations on your surprise. We've got that send-off pad from Paragon. Low wing, we're gonna rub that too right here from the shop. Thank you so much, you guys, for sharing in the moment with us. It really is yours. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
Colleen, hit it. That's what we're waiting for. Come on, yeah. Come on, hit it, Colleen. Hit it, girl. Go. Yeah.
There we go.
All right, Colleen. First impressions. You drove it. You really know it's yours now. What do you think?
It's unbelievable. We were just talking in the parking lot there before we turned around. We're going, this isn't real. This isn't real. But I love to drive fast.
Oh my
we saw
gosh.
you.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I do. And boy,
We love watching you drive fast.
that exhaust, man, when it went poo, and I went so fast, and it's only going 42 miles an hour.
It's got a lot more left in it, trust me.
Oh my gosh, can you imagine it on the highway? It's going to be awesome.
do want to make a comment that, yes, we were a little apprehensive about Des Moines on December 1st when we were first approached by it. But in 24 hours, my wife and I had talked about it, and you people are so special, so authentic. If we could have that kind of thing in Florida or New York, California, this country would be a lot better.
Yes, sir.
We're just really impressed. I recruited for a lot of my life, and I can tell the real deal real fast. And it's here, it's authentic. And then every person we've met at the hotel, at the restaurant, talking to you people just for an hour, gosh,